Hi everyone, welcome to this new video today. It's going to be about Google Translate. So let's dive into it right away. So in your web browser, like Chrome, open it. I will look for Google Translate in the Google apps right away. Google Translate is here. So what is Google Translate? Google Translate is this app that enables us to learn new languages. Uh, you can start from the language you know, and it can be converted into another language of your choice. Take an example. This side, the left side, you have these languages, and you also have the right side. They also so yeah, you have the left side and the right side. Left side, they are languages, as you can see. Yes, all these are languages. And also on the right side, it's the same way. Yeah, we have the same languages. So yeah. So how do we start? Take an example. We can maybe I wanna say hi. Of course, this is English. Yeah, it's English. Like hi. Like how do I say it in Somali? Somali. So here is Somali. Yeah, Somali is here. Like they say hi. Yeah, they also say hi. So let me try Chinese. Um, so that's how it's written. Then in case I want to hear how it's said,
你好，
it's ni hao. Yeah, that's how they say hi in Chinese. And you can keep on selecting other languages in the list. Maybe I want to say, how is it said in French? That's how is it said in French? These are all languages. So let me try it in French. Salute. Yeah. So that's under text. And let me try another one. Maybe I want to say good. I want to say good. Good morning. Bonjour. Yeah.
Bonjour.
So it's bonjour. So maybe I want to say it in. So yeah, you keep on trying and you're learning different languages, and you can keep on interconverting them. Yes. So you can swap them. Like yeah, you can swap them. Then you have also the other options, images. You can browse through your files, get an image, and if there are some text on that image, they will also be converted. Uh, Documents can also put their documents, websites. Yeah. So let's try maybe images. Yeah. This so yeah, you can get an image. If it has some words, they can be converted to your language. You can also paste your documents, websites. Yeah, and then you'll be good to go. So basically, that's all about Google Translate. And maybe another thing is that under text, the maximum text will be 5,000 words, 5,000 characters. Yes. So yeah, that's it. And you can be able to see your history, like the words you've been searching in the past. the past days or weeks or months. You can be saved there. So yeah, see you guys.